A systems integration platform provides a comprehensive solution to manage in a simple, efficient, and unified way all the information coming from different subsystems, whether they are security or building control subsystems. In the following, we will briefly detail the operation of the SCATI Sentry platform. To get started, you will need to log in with your username and password. Within the interface, you must first generate user roles. These allow the administrator to customize which options will be visible or enabled for different users. Each of the menu options, buttons, list boxes, etc., can be configured for each of the roles. For the creation of buildings and their topology, you can import customized files with still images, infographics, or plans. In each map or plan, you can place different elements such as cameras, reader heads, or any security element. SCATI Sentry allows the geolocation of the different cameras that are being recorded and monitored by SCATI VMS or SCATI Cloud. By using Google Street Maps or Google Side Views, you can position the cameras on the maps and have immediate access to the visualization of their images in real time. In the equipment section, SCATI Sentry allows you to view all the devices and subsystems that manage the installation. Among the subsystems we can find, among others, access control, fire, CCTV, intrusion, hardware elements of the Sentry suite, etc. For the representation of objects in the map, you can import default layouts from the repository and edit them. Thanks to the SDIO input and output modules, SCATI Sentry can be connected to the physical world and automate. Inputs are the signals coming from external elements such as sensors, volumetrics, or cameras, which are represented in SCATI Sentry. Outputs are actions carried out from SCATI Sentry on any physical element of the installation. For example, a door, an access control, a water pump, etc. These outputs can be automatic, when an action response previously defined in the system is generated. Manual, in which the operator activates the permit to give entry or exit to that element. And automatic by pulse, which are actions associated with a programmed response and which can be ordered automatically or manually with a predefined waiting time. Management of alarms from SCATI Sentry allows the alarms and statuses of objects on the map to be displayed in a clear and organized way. This incident management is recorded by means of a priority and criticality register, with the possibility of associating icons and colors to the incidents for better and quicker identification. The acceptance or non-acceptance of these alarms by the operator will be established as part of the installation's operations. Partitions are those groups of objects with identical behavior within the system. For example, we can group cameras that are registered in the system and operate with identical behavior. For access control, calendars are required with time slots in which access is permitted. In these calendars, the holidays for each location are selected. Afterwards, the generated calendar can be associated to users or elements to indicate the time it will be in operation. In systems with sensor data, the operator can create control panels that are displayed as a barometer or a graph. These display the system data graphically in real time. The graphs can be used to consult data on elements that are stored in the historical records. The operator must select a time interval and the element to be displayed. Workflows activate previously created execution tasks for incident management. They are a set of pre-established actions, processes, and rules according to a criterion. They can have a maximum execution time, be associated with actions or decision-making by the operator to minimize personal judgment and ensure a uniform and consistent response. The historics allow filtering by date, element, and installation of any event that has occurred. This information is stored in a database and can be exported at any time. If the event has an associated camera, it is possible to access its recording. SCATI Sentry gives you the power to optimize every aspect of your building from a single platform thanks to its ability to connect to industrial control systems or BMS via protocols such as Modbus or BACnet. This allows you to monitor and manage the use of energy and other supplies efficiently. From SCATI Sentry, you can monitor consumption in real time, identify usage peaks, as well as automatically adjust systems to minimize inefficiencies. This not only reduces the energy costs of the installation, but also makes a positive contribution to the environment. Thanks to the integration of the BMS in SCATI Sentry, it is possible to have the graphical representation of the different devices on the same plane, as well as to monitor and control their associated signals, analog and digital values, so that they can behave according to the operator's wishes. It is possible, for example, to control the air conditioning in a room, turning it on manually at the desired temperature, switching the lights on and off in different rooms of the installation, control air extraction systems and ventilation, ensuring that indoor air is kept clean and fresh for the comfort of people, or monitor the pressure and receive alerts from the measurement systems installed in the water tanks, act on the switching on or off pumps, etc. All with a view to efficient use of resources and to be able to carry out preventive and corrective maintenance actions. Dashboards provide the operator with a quick view of the most relevant data on the different types of incidents that occur in the installation. Number of active alarms, faults, consumption, and all types of data relating to the installation in a visual and intuitive way. You can select the time intervals you wish to consult and visualize the information in summary form. Simplify your daily operations. SCATI Sentry.